morning and welcome to Gladys TV News. I am Choma and these are the news headlines. Academic activities resume in Ado State University. Residents of Aba demand better road and electricity. INEC continues nationwide voter registration. Leaders of NATO discuss global security in Europe. Now the news in details. Management of Abia State University has resumed academic activities and advised students to complete registration and attend lectures regularly. Residents of Aba call on government to improve electricity supply and repair major roads affecting businesses. The Independent National Electoral Commission says voter registration continues nationwide as more citizens seek permanent voter cards. Leaders of NATO countries continues discussion on global security and cooperation during diplomatic meeting in Europe. And that is the 9 a.m. news on Gladys TV. I am Choma. Thank you for listening.